Reconstructive TV.
Yo Asantehene agogo na ene adefefe ya hu no wa ha wo se yeto eboase na ebiem na ye kire wo se na be ya obetumi hu no wate ase na menya no abene twetwe nkomo oye Asantehene agogo manhene dompia hene na Brogya sapo na de oye niam ahodo bebre na ne foundation ene oye dwumadie bi a ano odin pa na ye se sebe ebewo ena ya na mpanifo bu ye bodan efrefie ti na eya ade bi o so de ba fie ne fie na ne fie ena na manfo enya so emfa so na wa ha ma menko de chen na ye hye nkomo tres na mo ko ba ya boko de ya da yankopo ase ana no so no poku wanda wase ye ma ye ni so ipa na adefefe ya wa ha yi wada wo ma de na ekoso betima kire yen kaka
na chia watiefo seda kese enso ko twede ampo yankopon
ya
kuma he na kwa me ko kusapon na chia no so kuma he ma na se wa kusi obi ananom ne mpanimfo a wo krom ha na chia obi a ne agogoma ni na jimade o ha ye the foundation Brogya foundation.
okay
Foundation me set it up say ebehwe onibie eni nyanka if say me amenu aba kwa wo so amabiem
afra
me gene ma no me ye mo fasefo amehwe o mo de nkenya hwe na de oni wo fase me so no so be entina de foundation foundation ye niam bebre few years ago you have a child hospital phototherapy equipment and infant incubator ward was this year nkwara wo obi na John decide o mtimi na ekọ na enadwumade ne yesonko reconstructive surgery
okay
ene ebe o mo madi dem obi a wahyehyɛ obi wo ho no ma ye wo no odi form wo ne fa baabi the foundation and a restore foundation for reconstructive surgery. I am Dr. Michael Obeng.
Okay.
We are top Harvard trained plastic surgeon on Beverly Hills. You can research about him.
Okay.
He's one of the top plastic surgeons in the US. Yeah, I'm a young woman. Prempeh College. We are proud of him. Senior Kra Mankotono. Edin komo. Also kum so. Surgery sir. You can't afford it. You can't even have him. It's just by the grace that we have such a person here in our surgeries. Anything for me. That's an no better. We share any pay go here. The Brea did them any that's war. And then a final screening.
Yeah.
I will screening next week, Monday. Now, doctor need team. We are suffering top plastic surgeons. Anesthesiology we wom ni ade the team ni na be wa go hospital say yes screening with the local surgeons I prepare grounds to omo pape straight to theater in mobile case say hernia say goiter say benza ya separating ni na because doctor bia on specialty ni a chama ni e ye adwuma
okay
no bia fa totoro itina de ho
okay o manfo da wase ade kese a ode ye ade ama o manfo na we be say foundation a non-governmental organization though, but how do you get the fund? Sika kese ya utumbi ye because say plastic surgery is ukwa sika e pecho nya so. How do you get all the fund out in the years anima we
dunia wakasa pa the woman nyina say me will believe we say the offer be apalo
any piano
yeah na one kasa fa ho ahye mo obi me piano if we be own contribution based on own contribution what be any people ha any team ever there are companies around so obi will be touched to support uncle for kakran so damage na me so hu
okay
to make it a reality
okay
so a team of people Dr. Obenso will also support whatever because team na urban you can't afford them humanitarian work ɛna obi bɛti udi a ɛwɔ adwuma pa a wɔyɛ nyɛ sɛ bi wo nko a wo sika wanya a wode te efie a wodidi hwɛ wo ma deɛ mɛka wate ase na sɛ wotumi yi bi de ma na so nso dwe yɛni bi ho nso a Ghana bɛkɔ n'anim wiase nso bɛkɔ n'anim sana mhu
okay yɛyim obiara betumi aba bia na yɛfa yɛ specific crofo bi a wɔn de ahyɛ da yi wɔn so
dabi yɛyim koraa sɛbi wiase yɛntra ho no nyɛ ho ansa yɛaboa obi a wɔtɔn PK wɔ kwan ho capital yɛ sɛ 50 Ghana ɛno hia 50 Ghana deɛ na wɔde yɛ nti in your own small way everybody can help within your capacity untwɛn na anda ne billionaire ansa yɛ sɛ bɛnya me ho amefo sɛ ɛna ahenni ɛyɛ adwuma ne mpuntu it is evolving adwuma a wɔde ba ama wo nkurɔfoɔ ani bɛsɔ ɛbɛma ɔmo nso anya fa die ɛno ne ahenni nti me deɛ mesom agogoman ɛne Ghana man ntwɛn na menya wiase biribiara ansa sɛ bi deɛ media de bɛkɔba deɛ ɔyɛ deɛ ɛwɔ hɔ no but you only can be say impact. What are you doing to impact the lives of people around you? First and then a muscle. Until we connect. And enemy partners in the family. First said you my partner almost a beboa. I'm an
Now you know ahini a wodi wo de som agogoma hene a ye dompi ahene aye adwuma kese ba foundation so afato so so adwuma kese ba. How do you combine it?
Okay. Chieftaincy it's a serious institution. It's a serious business. It is a matter of prioritization and delegation. Family, business, and chieftaincy, they are all heavy institutes. No team am no more. It's a hamachin and bedruha. Ideally, maybe I can remember because the team is already on the ground. We share the team local nurses and local surgeons. Dr. Kakari and Hodge Williams. I don't see a plastic surgeon or Confanoche or Aba Kahon. They are prepared counsel. But I always want to be on the ground myself. To come and see it with my eyes. I mean, who say, I can also answer. It's it's a matter of prioritization. And the mayor and such and I'm assuming family.
Final words to Omo.
Meda obi biase. Emeka ne se obi bia no bibi kakra bia obetimi aye de aboa wo man. And train politician kwa onu kwa ntimi nye hwe. See na ye de ani ekwahye politics. You see baba beto aba. Ina ye de ani kwahye honom na ye gyae niema bia emmoa. Ba politician no ba ejuma kakra obaye oye na ye de ani bi akira ye be akwa sise fi so abato oba beba emfa free and fairness asumdwi enye basa se bi obi a che na dwe eno nya to beda wati fo na
wo hwe dwumadi e koso sika dodo se na ko
eno de akọ
10 billion we estimate here we estimate
one kasa say you so the nipa ni do yi ba ko one kasa enkwa the cost of say waso achia na ye free ho by a qualified doctor. He's named the surgeon. He's a surgeon for the celebrities. And to go to me then one can say no investigation. And see the price involved.
Was here do fly from Ghana.
Exactly. There've been cases like that. But one also know a chile do no any humanitarian worker. And then they didn't do baby. And you only sika millions or just the bottom would you. A Juma way. There are other plastic surgeons, but we hear of them. No. And I mean so Suma will go mine. Suma will go mine here. I'm a sure I will penny for. adwuma me ye nyame nkwa na dam so me ye nso de ahye awogoman animonyam ya go na kwa me purpose adwuma odi ahye me sase do ya eno ahunu adwuma na me nya competition ye nyina na yenya they said the politician be twi bi ba me nso me feel say me nso me ye ohe a wo say me nso me prebi e ma me mai me fa me kwa no me fa no obi a nya competition ba me feel say adwuma pa ene na do beko e de waba
Atiase. Ana me da se o akonya kecha de won. Ya be sure pa.
Mpeninsem TV